no idea what's going on anymore. Reverse mode, hold everything. Okay, rows and columns. 16. 33. Uh-oh. Oh, it's the one in the middle. What? So we still have to parse everything though. Well, just the middle. That's okay. Include S-stream. And then we gotta go like this. I-string stream ISS. Oh, we're not gonna put it there. Columns. It's rows and then rows. It's not columns. I don't like the way that is misleading. So let's go to the first one. Bum, 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 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I hear someone. I say, someone is there. Oh. Oh, did you raid me just as I left? Over the AR. Hey, over the AR, what's up? Finding Focus must have raided me just as I left, because I had to quit streaming. Sorry, okay. So what we need is an index counter equal to 0. And every time we get one of these, we just C++. And then if C equals middle, so then we just go C out token. It's not that. Middle, wait. Oh. Oh no. Held a message? What message? What? How is that a... Okay, columns, append columns. Oh, interesting. Oh, so they add it all to a thing and then they print right from the thing. Okay. I'm going to do another one, get another one going while that one finishes. I'm not going to leave the interface here so I can see the other people's code as they finish. Automod is very weird, yes. Oh, I gotta go start bread, but it's gonna start another one right away, so here we go. Fastest mode, well, alrighty. Let's see what we got. So how's over the AR? You're given a grid representing a minefield. You're tasked to count all the mines in the grid and output the total number of the grid is where M in the mine is represented space. 3 by 3. Just count the number of M's. The grid will only contain the characters M and dot. Okay, so we're only going to count the M's? Well, that's pretty easy. So don't we go row dot count? No, it's std count, row dot begin, comma row dot end, comma. I think that's what we do. So then C plus equals, and at the end we'll just output C. I'm surprised I remember this. I don't use that very often, but yeah. Alright, we got it. Cool. Okay, I gotta go start bread. It'll take a few minutes. I'm doing good. Would need to survive one more year until my graduation. Ooh, the torture. But good job. You're almost there. 1 year away from graduation? That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go start bread. I will be right back. I got wheat and oat and barley. I gotta make bread. Okay, bread is started. In about a half an hour, it goes in the oven. All right, where are we at? What are we doing? Did anybody else? Nobody else shared. 2 other people got it. There we go. Sorry, I'm back. I'm back. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Bum 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 bum. Wonder if quantum is on. Quantum. Not yet. He's usually down here. Pig Squad is on. Showcasing games for the Random Generation Summer Slow Jams. We're playing every game submitted to the jam on Sunday at 4. Cool. They've been on for 4 hours? I didn't even notice. Alright, cool. Do they have to be in my chat? They do. Oh, there we go. Okay. They don't have to be in my chat. Cool. Alright. Oh, Lord. I actually made my bed tonight. Swapped the sheet on my bed. I've been needing to do that for a while. I'm not going to say how long a while is. Never mind. Given a message, among us, print out the words alternately in n separate spaces. What? An integer n represents the number of lines needed to be separated. A string, n distinct lines. Okay. Oh, now that's cool. Okay, this is interesting. Especially with C++. Especially with C++. Okay, we'll go with message there. And then string, token. We're going to need a counter. While ISS token. So basically what we want to do is, we want to create other strings. So string, how many strings do we need? Up to 10. Okay, so new messages 10, but we're only going to have 2. Okay, so the first 2, that's fine. So we're going to go like this. So the first one, we're going to go new underscore messages C plus equals token. Oh gosh, and we have to worry about spaces too. Oh, how are we gonna know? Excuse me, now I can't do anything. I'm gonna open my window just a second. Okay, place is closed, but they got to make a bajillion bucks, so you know, whatever. Okay, so string new message is 10. New message is C mod number. So if that number is 2, C is always going to go up, and it's going to be 0 or 1. Okay. There's no way of knowing when we're at the end of the messages unless we previously store all of them in separate whatchamacallits. So maybe we could have vectors? Can we have 10 vectors? Or can we just have a vector of words? We could just store everything in a vector of words. We could do that. That's a little bit awkward, but so then instead of this, we're doing all underscore words dot pushback token. So that'll at least give us a count of the number of words. And then we got to go for int I equals 0. I is less than all underscore words dot size I plus plus. So here we can do, we can do plus equals number, and then we can just go new underscore messages I mod number, because I is going to cycle. Oh, but then we need to repeat it a number of times. We need to repeat this number of times inside here. Tell you what, let's just do this. Cout all underscore words dot size and L, like that. Let's just do that and get all the words counted. There's 22, right? I mean, we can still do, here. Let's go new messages, sub I mod C plus equals and then after each one we're just going to go C++. Then we're going to go if I is less than all words dot size minus number. Then we go new messages I mod C plus equals space, right? Otherwise we don't worry about it, we're at the end. C++, okay. And then when we finish, for int I equals 0, I is less than number, I plus plus. Then we print new arithmetic exception I mod C Function main on line 27. It's got to be imod C, right? Oh, imod number. Okay, good. Wait, no, it's going to be 28, arithmetic exception, because it's got to be imod number. Oh, it worked. Hey, Forsaken Failure, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Oh, thanks for the follow. Let's see, what did this person do? Oh. L equals array 4 underscore in space times I. Oh, wow. C equals R. While M colon L of C, append M pop 0. C equals C plus 1 mod I for O and L print star O. Okay, bro. No idea what that says. Oh. Oh. AB open 0, A equals int A, I equals 0, while I is less than A print dot join B split I colon colon A, I plus equals 1. Heavy, dude. 5 minutes to go. Let's go to the other one. Oh. What was this one? I forgot. Oh yeah, okay. So how did other people get this one? Oh, I remember that one. C sharp. Oh, dude's got it all in one line. N equals int parse console read line I equals 0 for I. Oh, look at that for statement. I is less than N, I plus plus. So I is initialized outside of the thing. Interesting. That's fine. C equals read line split where P, N, E, T char is digit T to list if I less than 2 console right C. Okay. X comma star Y equals open 0 read split print Y int X. Okay. Okay. So we're still waiting for one more person to finish on that one. Well, Forsaken Failure, how you doing? I'm about ready to go to bed. I should probably floss and brush my teeth. Cool. Oh, what brings you to the stream? Yeah, I gotta wake up at 4:30 in the morning and go to work at 6 at McDonald's. Boredom? Oh, okay. I don't know. I've been trying to talk myself into doing some programming all day on my games and stuff. I guess I can show off my demo real quick while we're waiting. This is my shooter demo. I've put everything in the kitchen sink into it. Then I got this 3D world thing. Let's see, where's the... I kind of messed with the shader a little bit, made the ground look a little bit weird. It used to be a more realistic terrain. But I've got a little Fortnite zoom in there. And then I've got this 3D world, and earlier today I did pixelated. The squares used to be a little bit more clear, distinct, but I had a little chat with Bing, and we made it pixelated, which is kind of cool. This is inspired by the Fortnite dance floors. I had to do that, and it's been a while. I've been trying to do that, but I also want to do like a Voxel World Space Trader kind of a thing. So that's what I am working on. Oh, you got an ad. What? Do I have ads? Sorry. Alright, here we go. Given is an outline of a building with some walls and rooms. The task is to find the largest room. The outline of the building is represented with walls and part of a room. The rooms are all rectangular rooms. If there is no room, print O. Are you back? Okay, welcome back. It says the task is to find, given the outline of a building with some walls and rooms, find the size of the largest room. Oh, I see. They give it to you like this here. Yikes. So how do we find the largest room? How do we find a room, period, first of all? Well, I use this to keep sharp. I'm really a dull blade if I don't, so... But I find this really sharpens me up, so when I'm actually working on my game dev, it tends to help a little bit. Even though none of this is graphics, this is all string manipulation and input-output. And did they both just finish and they both just got 16%? How do you get 16%? Multiple rounds. See, look at that. How am I supposed to find the largest room and all that? So they get them in the row at a time, huh? So 20 by 20. So I think once we find a dot, that's the beginning of a room. And then once we find the asterisk, so that'll give you the width, right? So once we find a dot, we know an index of where the rest of the dots are going to be until there's an asterisk that way. So let's do this. Let's do this. And what we would be looking for is every first dot after an asterisk. And then once we find one at that index, we measure the length right away, so we'll know the width right away. And then we'll find one here, we'll know the width right away, find one there. So we're going to need a vector of rooms. And the room is going to be... Oh, what's the room going to be? It's going to be a pair of width and height. But we also need a vector of indices. But we only need one because... Okay, so with row, what we need to do is... And the beginning of a room is a star and then a dot. So we want to find that. So row dot find. Okay. Char. Find position of a C string. Okay, so can we just go like this? Star dot. Row dot find. So let's go. int start equals, and then let's what does that return? Find returns the first occurrence. It's not helpful. I mean, it is for the first one, but we don't want to do that. We want to find out all the occurrences and have all the indices. Let's try this one and see. So yeah, -1 there, that's fine. 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Okay, so excuse me. So what we want to do for each one of the rows, this is going to take way too long. I'm already at 8.5 minutes and I just now figured out how to begin. We want to find each occurrence of the dot after an asterisk. So let's see. What if it's great? Oh, see, this is too much. Too much. What are they doing? Are they playing mini golf now? There's a bunch playing mini golf. Hold on. Okay, that was fun. That was fun. Had to close my window. So there's a bunch of kids. There's a big old bus over there. A bunch of kids on the bumper boats. A bunch of kids on the mini golf. Oh, dude got 100%. Okay, so if that and that, and we could possibly overwrite the thing there. So I don't think this is gonna work. I'm just thinking, I mean, I could do this, but then, actually, we know the last one is not going to be, so we just go to there. Now we'll never overwrite it. Okay, so if that equals that, and that equals a dot, right? Then we know we found the beginning of a room, and we need to freak out. So the thing is, with the room, what we need to store is this j+1, because that is the indices for the beginning. And then we need to count how many dots till the next asterisk. Yeah, nope, too much to do. I know there's too much to do. I just want to see. He didn't even share his code, so we're good. Moving on. There was way too much to do in that one. So probably take me at least half an hour. 45 minutes. And that would not be fun. Actually, it would be incredibly satisfying to get it, but I don't even know how long that would take. Half an hour? I bet you half an hour. Ask Claude. I go with Bing these days. I also have Llama, Code Llama on my computer locally. Actually, it's time. I gotta go put my bread in the oven while this gets ready. I'll be right back. I will go put my bread in the oven and then I will come back to this clash. Alright. Okay, bread's in the oven. What did I miss? 3.5 minutes. Son of a bean dip. Okay, Tom starts. Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry have a course of 10 iterations. Tom starts ahead of Jerry at the beginning of the race. Excuse me. You are given Tom's starting position, while Jerry always begins at position 0. You're also given the speeds of both Tom and Jerry. You need to display each runner on the screen at the start and at the finish. Tom is represented by T and Jerry by J. Finally, you need to determine the winner. If Tom wins, print Tom wins. Otherwise, print Jerry wins. Jerry can only win if he is actually ahead of Tom. Distances on the course are filled with the space character. The leftmost character is at position to the right. What? For example, Jerry says position to the speed of wind. J followed 10 spaces of J. We print 10 spaces of J because after Jerry was the referee measure the distance. What? The starter position Tom, the speed of Tom, the speed of Jerry, the representation of Tom at the beginning of the course, the representation of Tom at the beginning and end of the course, the representation of Jerry at the beginning and end of the course, the winner message. Took me another 3 minutes just to get through that explanation. Dang. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? The output is the representation. Okay. So, and the winner message. So let's just do Tom and Jerry in the course here. So it's always going to be this. Tom's course, Tom's start. So for int I equals 0, I is less than Tom's start, I plus plus. Each space here we're going to print, each one of those we're going to print a space. Then we're going to print T for Tom. Then we're going to do another loop. Tom's speed, what? Oh. Oh. Course of 10 iterations. All right. 10 iterations. Actually, isn't it Tom's speed times 10? So if Tom's speed is 2, we're going to print 20 that. Okay. And then I plus plus. We'll see how that works out. Conveniently, he moves 1 to let the referee, and then we do an end L, and then we're on to Jerry. Dude's already got it with Ruby. That's cool. That's cool, dude. So then we're doing Jerry's speed. No, with Jerry we're going to start with a J. And then we're going to do Jerry's speed times 10, boom. And then we're going to see out J, right? Now, do we go Jerry's speed minus 1, or do we go Tom's speed plus 1 on this one? I think we do. Okay. So we just printed Tom's course and Jerry's course, and then we'll determine the winner. I have no idea. Is that right? Found expected. Wait, so Tom, it looks correct. And then how did I found that, expected that. So it just needs one more space in the middle. What did I do wrong? So start Tom's speed plus 1. So maybe it's plus 2 because of the whole referee stepping aside. Okay. Oh no, it's less than that. It's 1 less. So I actually had it right. But I guess because of the space. So he's already fine. Tom is already fine. Okay. Found the final winner. Expected Tom wins. Okay, so then you just go like this. Then you go if Tom start plus Tom speed times 10 is greater than Jerry speed times 10, then you see out Tom wins. Else, see out. There will always be a winner and never a tie. Okay, so they're making this easy at this point. Jerry wins. Computer, okay, whatever. Is that... does that do it? Is that it? Oh my gosh. So that's it? Oh, okay, well that's easy. They made that easy. I thought it was way overcomplicated, but it's easy. Huh, cool. Oh, I got you. This is Ruby? Oh. Gets to I, gets to I, gets to I. Tom end equals Tom start plus 10 times Tom speed. Jerry end equals 10 times Jerry speed. Print, or put S. Space times Tom start plus question T. Question T? Does that mean only one? Interesting. Plus space times Tom end minus Tom start plus question T. Okay. So question must mean just print the character right after the question mark. Jerry plus Jerry end, yeah. If Tom end is greater than Tom, Jerry wins. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Okay. Let's go here. Play again. Alright. Is this the one I gave up? I have 40 minutes until bread's done, by the way, so. Alright, and we have 1:50 until this, so maybe I can... So, this is just weird stuff. I kind of like it, so I kept it this way, but I really messed it up from what it was before. And everything happens in the shader. So I guess I could look at the terrain real quick. Where is it? Terrain 06 FS. Okay. For the pulsing effect, use the average of type X and type Y as a time offset for the pulsing effects. Oh yeah, so I sent it in with the 30 seconds, okay. Height of the terrain, margin for the border. Bum 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 bum. Oh, I tell you, I'm so tired tonight now. I should floss and brush. Come here. There. Oh, I tell you. Okay, fastest mode. Okay, help the snake named Python P to find the apple A. What direction should it take? How many times? Huh? Integer n for the size of the grid. Next n lines, n string s for the one line of the grid which may contain P and or A. Output. Left or right x number of times separated by a space, or return 0 if no need. Up or down number of times. So what? P, A? Oh. Help the Python find the apple, huh? So we need to find the index of the P. So, and the index of the A. So let's go like this. Int index of P equals 0. index of the A equals 0. So when we find them, we will put them in those variables. Okay, so how do we what do we? Don't we go? Okay, let's set these equal to -1 just because there's a 0 index. So we want to know if a string, okay, hold on. In C++, how do I tell if a string contains a char, please? std string find function. If string find the char is not equal to the end position, okay. In this code, string find returns the position of the first occurrence of the character in the string. Okay, so find will actually tell you, and it will tell you where. Okay, so string.find. Is it this one? Yeah. So, if str.find p is not equal to, what is it? String colon n position. String colon n position. Okay. Then we're just going to go IP equals str.find like that. If str.find the apple not equal to string so right there we would know. So then we just want to output IP, and then here we want to output IA. Ba-da-ba. 0 and 2. Oh, but it doesn't tell us the Y index. So that's just the X. Okay, so we need to keep track of the... Oh, I got you. So right here... Actually, what we're going to do is just do this. Same thing with this guy. So let's just print P. Okay. And then this one we'll just print, we'll just redo it for... So that should give us the coordinates 0, 0, and 2, 2. So from there we can print the right instructions. Excuse me. Okay, so we're going from P to A. So the distance that we're going to travel, wait, let's see out. So P to A. So we take IAX and we subtract IPX. And then we're going to take IAY and subtract IPY. Okay, so it's 2 and 2, right? So if IAX and IPX, let's go like this here. If IAX minus IPX is less than 0, then we'll go C out. We will be going left. And then we'll print the absolute value. We need C math for absolute value. Absolute value of IAX minus IPX. Else, C out. There. Now we do the same thing for the other one, only with up and down. Excuse me, IAX. So now we're going to use Y and Y. Y, Y. So instead of left, we're going to be going, if the Y is, in this case it's greater than 0, you're going down. So otherwise we'll go up. Is that right? Yes. We just need to comment these guys out. Is that all of them? Oh. Okay, 0 if no need. So we just return 0. If IAX equals IPX, oh, ternary operators, I gotcha. I see how you are. What did I do again? Boo, doo, 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 I don't remember what I was going to look at, but my brain is beginning to shut down. Oh, here's another one. Nice. Beginning to shut down. Let's play again. So find will return the actual index as well as tell you whether it's there or not if you compare it with this string no position, n position. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my phone. Oh, it's already starting. Okay, I was gonna say I'll go set my alarm. Ooh, reverse mode. The date, I see dates and times over there. No, run away. Run away, Simba, run far away and never return. Date time, son of a bean dip. Oh, wait. What? It's the number of seconds since midnight. Has nothing to do with the date. It's all about the time at the end. Okay, so, alright, we do need to parse it though, so hold on. Include string stream I string stream. I get so good at doing this. This is nice. This is what doing clashes has done for me. I've actually memorized this whole parsing. Cout token. Okay, so what we want is boom boom. Get that and that. So we want the second one. And if we move that out here, does token end up equaling? Yeah. So when we're done with that, token is good. Can we just take out this line? Does that still work? So we just get the last one. Okay. And then with token, we want another I string stream ISS2 token. Excuse me. And then well, should we use another string token too? And then we're going to go while get line token, no wait, while get line ISS2 comma token 2 comma, and our delimiter is a colon. We're going to cout token 2. Okay. Okay, now we don't need this one. So with these three, the first thing we're going to get is the hours, minutes, and then the seconds. Okay. So we want to convert each one to, so int add equals s2i token 2 int c equals 0. Okay. If c equals 0, we also want the total number of seconds. Total number of seconds equals 0. So ts plus equals add times 3600. And then each time through, we're going to go C++. And then if C equals 1, we're going to go TS plus equals add times 60. And then finally, if C equals 2, we're just going to go TS plus equals add. And then at the end, we're just going to print oh, what did I just do? Did they not get it? Or wait, what? Oh, we're printing TS, not C. Did they not get it? How did they not get it? Once upon a time I made a video game, a space trader, and I kept track of the number of seconds that passed between timestamps when the person exited the game and entered the game. And one of the numbers that stuck in my head was 86,400, the number of seconds in a 24-hour period. And all of those date, time, stamp, number answers were less than 86,400, so that told me that we were summing up the number of seconds. How come they're not sharing their code? Alrighty, anyways. Excuse me. So we're breaking that up. The last part here, I broke it up into the hours, minutes, and seconds, and then just added each one as I got the numbers. And added the seconds to the thing. And we got 9 minutes to go for those two people. Okay. Let's do this one. Should I drink something, eat something? What am I doing? I don't have any water. Let me have some orange juice before I floss and brush. I'll be right back. Alrighty, had a little bit of drink, had some honey, had a Benadryl so that I can... Given a sentence, for every letter in the sentence, add the ASCII value to the result. For all other characters, spaces count as well in the sentence. Subtract it from the result. Lastly, for each of the given numbers, add it to the result if that number is in the string version of the result. Hmm? I'm not sure I understand that last part. String sentence. A string sentence for the characters to turn into ASCII values. An integer for the amount of numbers given. An integer E for one of the numbers given. Hello world. 3, 7, 15, 8. The final result after adding the ASCII values of the letters, subtracting the ASCII values of the character specified numbers if they appear in the string version of the result. I don't get it. Lastly, for each of the given numbers, add it to the result if that number is in the string version of the result. For example, 5 is in 258, so add 5. So get the result and then even do more? Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Hello world is a sentence. What are we supposed to do? Amount of numbers given. For each of the given numbers, 15 is one of the numbers. Next in lines, an integer E for one of the numbers given. What? 15? So we have to convert that to a string, convert this result to a string, find out if that's inside the string? Son of a bean dip and flapjacks. No. No is the answer. Alright. Well, we have 11 minutes. Let's try it. Yes, let's try it. Hold on. Let's go here. So right after we get the sentence, what we want to do is cycle through each of the letters in the sentence. So let's do that. First thing. Hello world answer here. Okay, we can take that out at the end. Okay, so we get each of the letters here. So what we want is a sum. So if is alpha sentence sub I, right? Then we're going to go s plus equals, going to cast it to a char, sentence sub I. So that'll add all the letters. Subtracting the ASCII values of other characters. Okay. So otherwise, we're going to go s minus equals char sentence sub I. There. So after that, then print s. $9.55. Okay. So why did that print the right answer? Because 7, 15, and 8 are not in there, so we didn't have to do anything to it. Oh, but I didn't check for that. I didn't check for that. That just happens to be a coincidence. Kawinky dink. So I have no way of checking whether my... Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so that one's wrong. So it's off by one of the numbers. So down here, let's print the numbers. C out, E, and L. And how many numbers are we given? 34, 2, 8, and 13. So the amount we're off by is 8, because 8 is contained in there. So for each of these, though, we want to convert the 2-digit one and see if convert all of them. Yeah, so what we want to do here is convert to a string. Oh, we want to convert the answer to a string as well. Okay. But we'll keep it as it, so we'll get a string version of it too. So string version. And then let's just go down here. As soon as we're done, we'll go sv equals s to I s. Or, sorry, I to s. Or is it toString? Okay. So we know this works. We're just going to print the string. And that'll be the right answer. Okay. And then here, we'll print the string. 4158. Okay, so now we have a string to compare with. Convert to a string. So the new thing is we're going to go string temporary e equals toString e. If, oh, my bread's done. Okay, I think I only lost a minute there. So anyways, te equals toString e. So now we just need to go if, where is it? Sv. Okay, sv dot find te is not equal to string and pos. Ah, so that means it's found within the string, and then all we want to do is go s minus equals e, like that. Now, do we need to change that each time, or are we comparing with the initial one? Plus equals, sorry. So does that work? We're not printing this one. Huh, okay. So it's not cumulative. Once you modify the result, the other numbers, you're not checking for the new result. It's just all based on the first result. Okay. Okay. Nobody else shared their code on this one? What was this one? Oh yeah, the seconds. Okay. This one's almost ready to begin. We just need one more person. One more person. Electronomancer. Alright, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Although my bread is done, it smells delicious. I'm not going to get any sleep tonight because I got to wake up at 4:30. It's okay. Okay, this will probably be the last code clash that I do. Because I really have to hit. I really should have been in bed about a half an hour ago. I got started late with my bread. Okay, what do we got? String k n. You must find the top n most frequent elements in a given list. If there is a tie between the most frequent elements, use them as your earliest in the list. Example, we could do 5 with n equals 2 would return 1 and 2. What? The top n most frequent? Top 2 most frequent elements. Oh, okay. Space separated integers representing a list k. Space separated integers. An integer n for how many frequent elements you return. N space separated integers are most frequent in this k. Number of elements k. Okay. Alright. Oh. So this is where we would use a map. We were going to parse everything and then use a map to keep track of the whatever, I think. Let's try it. So first we go iString stream k, and then we go string token, and then we're getting the numbers. So we're just going to go while ISS token, just going to print them out. Okay, so that should give us all the elements. Okay. Excuse me. And then the top 2. So what we're looking for is to count those. So how do I make a map? So you got to use map as the include. Hold on. Did it still work while I... Okay, that's cool. std map string comma int. So what we're going to keep track of is an int and an int. So it's going to be a std map int comma int. Okay. So we want an std map int comma int. Although we could do a string. We're going to call this the elements. Okay. So element token plus equals 1. Does that work all right? Yes, but it doesn't do anything. So now wait, remember the keys in a map are always sorted in increasing order. The keys, not the values. Oh. If you need to maintain the order of the insertion, consider using an unordered map or std vector key value. Oh. What in the heck? Multi-map. Where the keys are the values for my map and the values are the keys. So let's do this. If you need to maintain the order of the insertion, consider using an unordered map or an std vector pair key value. transfer it to a multi-map. This is what it just told me up above, only different. So you can achieve this by using an unordered map char int to store the occurrences of each character in the string. Then you can transfer the map to the multi-map int char to sort the characters by their occurrences. Unordered pair. Oh, multi-map int char? For constant auto pair char, insert pair second first. Count char. Get the top end characters n equals 3, it equals count char dot r begin for int I equals 0 to n. What? Char count is an unordered map of the keys and the characters and strings. For the little counts, occurrences is a string, and the count char is a multi-map where the keys are the occurrences from char count and the values of the characters. The second for loop iterates over the count char in reverse from the end and prints the first n characters and their occurrences. Oh. Okay, I'm done. I be done. Okay, whatever, dude. Can I ban this person, or how do I don't know how to, Oh, here. I think I go there. Follow, whisper, invite, ban. Timeout, warn, no, just ban. Oh, cool. That was easy. Message deleted. Okay. Raid channel. Okay, but let's give somebody a raid here. Is anybody who's on? Who is on? Here's somebody doing the Fortnite jam. Oh, let's go Dee Dee. Let's go Dee Dee. Doesn't show up. Am I spelling her username wrong? Where's she at? Dee Dee Dancer 85. 85? No channels found. No? Weird. Oh, maybe she has raids turned off. Maybe you can't raid. Okay. So who else? Carl Crafts. Kim and Jack Keem? I guess we could do Carl Crafts is really cool. You guys will like Carl Crafts. He's cool. There we go. Pops right up. Start raid. Into my music. We're unable to raid. Okay, we can't raid. Alright, moving out. Later, everybody.